Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to connect Google Home, Nest Mini to computer. Let's go.
First way, your Google Home app account and your Chrome browser account must be the same. Open YouTube, choose Video, Cast to a device, choose your speaker. Second way, if your computer supports Bluetooth, say, "Hey Google, turn on Bluetooth." Open Settings, Devices, Bluetooth. Choose your speaker. That's it. Now you know how to connect Google Home Mini to computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.